Hi guys, welcome back to thesmlcreations. Today I have a fabulous tutorial on how to make this headphone holder. The supplies you'll need are 2 rolls of duct tape. I'm using a pattern and a solid. You will also need an X-Acto knife and Velcro. I am using the mini Velcro, but you can use any size you like. Also headphones you will need. So let's get on with this tutorial. First thing you're going to do is cut out 2 strips that are 3.5 inches long for your sheet that you're going to make, and then you're going to flip one side over and place it on top to make a sheet. And then this next step is optional. If you would like to trim it, you can, but I'm just trimming it to make it more even and stuff. And then you can do trim if you like, but I'm just cutting another strip that is 3.5 inches to make a trim, and then you're going to rip it or cut it into fourths like I'm doing so, and then you're going to trim it. And if you'd like to see a video how to trim, please comment down below because I can teach you how to make it like card pockets. But basically you just put 1/4 of an inch around the whole perimeter of the sheet or the headphone holder like I'm doing so, and leaving 1/4 on the pattern color, if that even makes sense. And then I'm just cutting off these extra pieces and then going to make boxes all around the side so it's easier to fold over and you have a straight clean edge. So just follow along with what I'm doing if anything doesn't make sense. And then you're going to fold it all over on all the perimeter or the 4 sides of the strip. And this is what it should look like. Next, you're going to take your Velcro, which in my case is the mini Velcro, and you're going to just place them on the sheet. And this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to use 3 Velcros, but if you want to do it any other way, you can certainly do that. Then you want to flip it over and fold over the sides to make it look like so. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's really easy. And then you're just going to open it back up. Then, last but not least, take your headphones and fold it to how you like it, so you can be able to put it in the headphone holder, and bam, there's your headphone holder. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it helped. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye guys!